You're aware of having three RPA accounts, correct?
You're well, what?
Aware of having three RPA accounts?
3 of them?
Yes, three.
Is it the checkings and the savings? Oh,